Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. We've got our man can unboxing video for the month, and we're going to be unboxing the January man can, which was the Founding Fathers can. And we had a lot of fun with this particular box. I think you guys are going to really like it. We'll get to that in just a second. The box that we have up for sale right now is the February box, which is the Love Your Gun box. That particular box really revolves around cleaning and accessories for cleaning your firearms. So if you guys are lacking in that department and you need a box that'll help you with that, the overall theme of that can surrounds care and maintenance of your firearm, and we call it Love Your Gun. That's usually our February theme. So definitely make sure you check that out. Every purchase that you make goes directly back into supporting the channel. And guys, those of you who support us through the purchase of man cans are so awesome. Thank you so much for your support. The support has been overwhelming, and we really appreciate you guys. It allows us to do what we do and to continue on, and you guys literally help drive our content and keep us going. So those of you who purchase man cans, those of you who purchase merchandise over on the website, those of you who purchase shirts, such as the one I'm wearing here, or if you're a Patreon supporter, there's a lot of ways that if you love the channel and you'd like to support us directly, there's a lot of ways that our fans can directly support our channel. And those are some of the ways that you can do that. And those of you that do, thank you very much. Honestly, even folks that just watch what we do, we really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch our content. It means a lot to me and my family, and we appreciate the financial and direct support that you guys have given our channel over the years. Y'all are great, and thank you. So we're going to go ahead and unbox January. This one came together really nice, and Matt did a great job with the shirt. So getting into the different tiers. So in case you don't know, you have a regular tier, a man up tier, and a mega tier, and those prices obviously vary depending on the tier. But the general idea with man cans is that, like, if you buy a mega, it comes with the man up and the regular. If you buy a man up, it comes with the man up and the regular. So you get the lower tiers included in the higher tier cans. The regular box is the $30 box. All right, and that one comes with the t-shirt. This one turned out really nice. All right, that's the signing of the Declaration of Independence. Okay, and lots of detail in this shirt. It turned out really nice. And Matt wound up doing kind of a sort of off blue in terms of the print. So I know I personally am not a fan of too much of a pretty white because it winds up like staining easily. So we decided to go with a little bit of an off blue. And the cool thing is, against this black backdrop, it really pops. It looks great. And we're really proud of this shirt, and I hope you guys will really love it. So everybody's going to get their signing of the Declaration of Independence. All right, that's obviously honoring our Founding Fathers. And these kind of cans are important to me. We love doing these types of things. Anything that we can pay homage to our Founding Fathers is always a really cool thing. All right, we did a beanie with a musket on it. So that's cool. You got a way to keep your head warm. And what we were thinking of there is not only, I mean, we are in colder temps now, and people want to be able to keep their little noggins warm. But something else we were thinking is, what if you have to cross the Delaware, right? It was cold, right? It was Christmas Eve when they crossed the Delaware. So yeah, you got to keep your little mug warm so it doesn't freeze off when you're crossing the river. All right. We did a silver dollar style challenge coin. This is obviously a novelty coin. The size isn't the same. But we wanted to do some type of a challenge coin because challenge coins are fun. And we thought, why not do literally like a Founding Fathers type of, this has got Washington on it, but it's the original like Morgan style dollar. We thought that was really cool, and it's kind of distressed looking. And that's just something that you can just pay homage to our Founding Fathers. And it's literally a challenge coin in the literal sense. And those are cool. All right, so we did the challenge coin. All right. And because when you're sitting around in a tavern and you're talking about revolution and all of these other things, and you're talking about throwing the tea in the harbor, right? Well, if you're going to sit around and have a mug of your favorite ale, why not do it with a nice frosty mug? All right, take this thing, put it in the freezer, and get it nice and frosty, and proceed to fill it with your favorite beverage. And this is a substantial mug. This is a nice, heavy-duty beer or beverage or whatever you want to put in it type of mug. And you've got Benjamin Franklin and you've got George Washington, two of my favorite Founding Fathers. Ben Franklin, certainly a wise individual, and also a very loved diplomat, wonderful diplomat for us. Okay, that's the regular can. You got the shirt, the beanie, the coin, and the mug. So you can get your drink on, keep your noggin warm, show your appreciation for the Founding Fathers and the importance of our Constitution, wearing your signing of the Declaration of Independence shirt, and you got your challenge coin for when you go to the bar. Maybe somebody doesn't have as cool of a coin as you and you get a free beer. How cool is that? All right, so the Man Up, what we did, the Man Up can gets all of that, plus, you guys are going to like this, we did a really old school looking like neck knife, okay? And this little joker is sharp as all get out. And we were going for that sort of distressed, almost like blacksmith. Okay, so that's what we were kind of thinking of. It's like, all right, you went to the village blacksmith in olden time, right? And had him make you a crazy neck knife. Now, where he got the Kydex, I don't know about that. But that looks like something, you know, a blacksmith could make, right? So that's what we were going for there. And I think you'll be very pleased with this neck knife. It's low profile, wears around the neck, really handy, and it's just a great knife. And I hope you guys will see the quality. It's a cool item. I'm really glad we could do that neck knife for the Man Up can. All right, so that's the Man Up can. You get the additional neck knife. That is a very unique knife that we had made. I hope people really love them. And the Kydex seems like it's going to hold up real nice. Okay. The Mega can includes the neck knife and all the lower tier in the regular can. And then the Mega can, we did a lantern style flashlight. I don't have batteries in it. I'll put batteries in it. But they actually branded these flashlights for us, which we thought was kind of cool. It's got the Musket logo on there. But it's a lantern style light that uses AAA batteries. We thought it'd be kind of cool to put something like this in the box because, I mean, all right, Paul Revere said the British are coming, right? And he had his lantern and all. So we were kind of thinking, all right, you got to have a lantern. And this thing just pops open. And you can, you know, read in low light or whatever. And then, of course, use as a standard flashlight. All right. So the other thing that we did for the Mega can is this satchel. All right. Now, what we were thinking here, again, okay, I'm thinking modern times, but how can we still kind of do the whole Founding Fathers thing? How can we make that come full circle? I thought, well, why not do this satchel here? Now, when you look at it, the thing is, it almost reminds me of like a possibles bag, right? So like if you're a black powder shooter and you need somewhere to put your powder horn and your little ball sack, or whatever you call that, okay? Chad's over there, he's losing it. Okay, but if you put all of your accoutrements inside of a possibles bag to where they can be gotten out at your earliest convenience, then this would be a great bag for that. All your black powder shooting accessories and other things that we mentioned earlier can go in here. And it also fits an iPad perfectly. So like if you're going, I don't know, through security at the airport, or if you're just hanging out and you want to have your, you know, iPad in tow and a few other odds and ends, it's a great small bag for that. Small accessories. Could also be used for various hunting activities. If you've got, I don't know, a duck call or some, you know, other, you know, your wind checking devices or duck calls or any small accessories. It's a really durable canvas. Looks like it's going to hold up really nice. Okay, and then it's got our logo with the musket embossed on it yet again. And I think you guys will really like this item. And we were going for like a modern possibles bag. I think that was the overall idea that we had in mind on that, was just trying to come up with something useful. We wanted these items to be something you guys could use, something that would serve you guys well, and still, you know, nod to the original, you know, idea of the theme itself. So when we do these man cans, we select this theme, you know, and we try to creatively come up with cool ideas to put into these boxes, because you guys ultimately are supporting the channel, you're supporting our efforts. I mean, yeah, you're buying the can because you want us, you know, to be able to make more videos and you want to support the channel, but at the same time, we want you to get great items that you guys are going to be happy with. So let us know. I mean, anything we can do to make these cans better, we want to consistently strive to make you guys happy, because the continued support is definitely appreciated. And in times like these, we need all the support we can get. and you guys are great, and we want to make sure that you guys are more than happy with these cans. So I know this has been a bit of a long video, but thank you for watching today. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you love this particular box. We're super stoked about it. I love this box. I think it turned out great. The items are useful. You know, it's all things that you can use. It's not something that you're just going to throw away and not use. Hopefully you'll get some great use out of all of these items, and that's important to us. With man cans moving forward, we're really trying hard to make sure you get useful things. And that's a very big part of man cans and moving forward, is we just want to make sure you guys are very happy with what you get. So if you support us in man cans, thank you very much for the support. It's been wonderful, and you guys are so awesome, and thank you very much. So don't forget, if you want your February can, which is the Love Your Gun Month, you want to get it now, because we're going to have to cut off sales not too terribly long after this video goes live. So if you want to get in your February can, go ahead and get your gun cleaning on and order that can so you can get you some gun cleaning stuff. And we always try to come up with some really fun things to put in that particular box. I know in previous boxes, I think one time we did like some JB Bore Bright cleaner. We've done cleaning kits before. We've done some Otis accessories in some of the previous boxes for the gun cleaning month. I would certainly assume that any of those items could make an appearance yet again in this particular box. So no promises. It is a surprise, but we're going to try our best to load it down with some great stuff that will make you guys happy and be very useful to you. Thank you so much for watching our channel, guys. Thank you for supporting our channel and being a viewer. We have so many things that we have to do to continue our fight for the Second Amendment. Like literally, Chad and I are about to cut a ton of gripes. We've got so many more things coming down the pipeline that we're doing, more meltdowns, more gunsmithing stuff, reloading, more gun gripes. We've got a ton of great episodic content coming up, and thank you for being a part of it. Thank you for supporting us. You guys are great. I can't say that enough, and we'll see you soon, and many more videos on the way. Have a great day, and I appreciate you watching today.